morning, students. Today we are going to study here this next one chapter, 12th one, in your regular math textbook series, perimeter and area. Perimeter and area. Perimeter means closed up figures have a perimeter. We know that the sum of the lengths of the all sides of a figure is called as a perimeter. Closed up figures have a perimeter and the sum of the lengths of the all sides of a figure. See this figure, rectangle. Sum of lengths of the all sides, this side is 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Perimeter of this figure is equal to sum of the lengths of the all sides, means 5 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 3 centimeter plus 3 centimeter. 5, 5, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 plus 3, 16 centimeter. Perimeter of this figure is 16 centimeter. Then again one figure you see here. See this figure, this 7 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Then perimeter of this figure is equal to sum of all the sides, 5 centimeter plus 10 centimeter plus 7 centimeter. 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 7, 17 centimeter. You write here what is meant by perimeter. Write definition. Closed figures have a perimeter. These closed figures have a perimeter. The sum of lengths of all the sides of a figure. Lengths of all the sides of a figure is called a perimeter. See in your textbook, page number 68, problem set 48. Write the perimeter of each figure in the box given below it. You draw this figure and below write the perimeter of this figure is equal to 7 centimeter plus 16 centimeter plus 20 centimeter plus 14 centimeter. Do this addition. This also same time. Then see next one, this second one question. If a square of side 1 centimeter is cut off the corner of a larger square with side 3 centimeter, what will be the perimeter of this remaining shape? See here, here 3 centimeter, here 3 centimeter, here 3 centimeter, here also 3 centimeter. But it is cut 1 centimeter. This cut here 1 centimeter means here how many centimeter remain here? 2 centimeter. Then here 3 centimeter. Here also 3 centimeter. And here also 2 centimeter. This 1 centimeter and this 1 centimeter. Then your perimeter of this figure is equal to this. In this problem set 48, first one question in homework you complete this, and second one question you see here. Square this first one, each side of this square 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter and here 3 centimeter. When we cut here 1 centimeter is cut off this figure. See this figure. this figure cut here means this 3 centimeter, here 2 centimeter, 1 centimeter, this 1 centimeter cut, here 2 centimeter remain, and here 3 centimeter. Then what will be the perimeter of this remaining shape? What will be the perimeter of this remaining shape? Perimeter is equal to here 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to total 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10, 11, 12 centimeter. Perimeter of this figure is 12 centimeter. Then here your problem set 48 completed. In homework you complete this. Then next one, formula of this perimeter of a rectangle. Formula of this perimeter of a rectangle. What is the formula of a perimeter of a rectangle? 2 into in bracket L plus B. L means length and B means breadth. See here, perimeter is equal to length plus breadth. Length plus breadth. Opposite sides of a rectangle are of same length. So the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to twice the length plus twice the breadth. Means 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Means perimeter of a rectangle is equal to here 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Otherwise formula write this perimeter of rectangle. Rectangle is equal to 2 into in bracket L plus B, and here L means length and B means breadth. 2 into in bracket L plus B. Then formula this perimeter of a square, you see here the lengths of the all sides of the square are these equal sides. Therefore perimeter of a square is equal to 4 times the length of its sides. Means perimeter of a square is equal to formula perimeter of a square is equal to here all sides equal means 4 into side. Perimeter of a square is equal to formula 4 into side. Then this remaining part tomorrow. In homework you complete this today's class work. Okay.